Hello friends, in this video we will see how to connect to internet without a router. So for internet connection we need router through which we can connect to multiple devices. But in case if your router has been damaged or if it has failed for any reason because of its power adapter or anything, then you will be in trouble. So for that we have a solution from which we can connect directly to the internet without a router. So let's see. First of all, you have to check in which port the Ethernet cable is connected. Remove that cable and connect it to the laptop. So here we can see we have connected the cable directly from wall adapter to laptop. Now we have to open control panel, open network and sharing center. Here we can select connect to the internet, then broadband. Now here you need to have username and password provided by your internet service provider. Usually they provide the username and password. So if you don't know, you can call and ask your service provider. They will tell you. Then after connecting, remember password. When you click on next, it will connect. Just wait for some time. Okay, now you can close this window. Then you can just check if it's working. I'll just check if it's working. Yeah. So here we have connected to internet without the router directly through point-to-point protocol over Ethernet, and here you will get a very good speed. When you disconnect, and if you want to again connect, you don't have to repeat the steps. Just go here and connect. It will get connected. So if you want to check whether your router is having any problem or if you experience lag or slow internet speeds, then you can directly connect and check, and then you can replace your router. Another problem is that most of the ISPs allow connection from a specific MAC ID, so they do it while we first connect to the internet. So here we can see how can we change the MAC ID. We have to go into this setting, and then we can change the value here. So we need to know first which MAC ID we need to put here. So we need to know what is the MAC ID of router, and we need to put it here for our local Ethernet adapter. So right now, before anything happens, when you are connected to internet using the router, you can log into router. Here we can also find a username for the point-to-point protocol over Ethernet connection. So here is the MAC address. So you have to note it down and keep it safe somewhere. So in case of any problem, you can connect your laptop directly without router. Thank you for watching.